Hi, I'm Rick Berkermans. I'm the developer of the EasyLegs Pro. It's a very light-weighted tricycle, just 30 kilos, light-weighted aluminium. And it's easy to put in the car because you can take it apart. We have the batteries in two sizes. You can charge the battery on the bike, or you can take it off and charge it at home. You can also place mirrors on the bike, on the left side or left and right, and they are easy to put away. We have 8 different pedals, and all these pedals have different levels of support. But they can all be equipped with a quick release. And then you can just use with one click, you can remove them. The basket is not only easy to take with you with the handle, but it's also light and strong. The flag is reflecting on both sides in the dark. The mudguards are from light-weighted aluminium and they have their own lights. And then you can even split it. This makes all the separate parts very light. You can even take the wheels off, just with a click. In some larger cars you don't have to take it apart. And in some cars you only have to take the wheels off. If you have a smaller car, just take the tricycle apart. In basement it's also very easy if the tricycle is light, because you can easily shift it to the side. And going on vacation with the motorhome, of course, just take it apart and put it in.